Hey guys, welcome back to Crick Code. Hey guys, welcome back to Crick Code. Today we're doing another Brainstellar Quant puzzle. This one is called burning chords. This is a famous problem. It's an easy type. I'll let you guys go over it. So just to explain the problem once, we've been given two chords and both of them burn in 1 hour, but they don't burn uniformly. So what that means is if let's say we were to cut the chords into perfect halves, this does not mean that this would take 30 minutes and this would take another 30 minutes. No, it could be something like 59 and 1 or anything in between, right? The flame, if let's say we were to lit one of the cord on fire, the flame could start over here and burn really slow and then really pick up its pace and burn the rest real fast. So that's the problem we have, is that the chords aren't burning uniformly, and so we can't really just divide one of the chords into a quarter and just burn that part and say that it will take 15 minutes. We have to be more creative than that. Now, the hint that comes in handy for this problem is to understand that even though the chords aren't uniformly burnt, but if we were to lit both ends of the cord simultaneously and have them be burning by both ends, we would be sure that in 30 minutes the entire cord will be extinguished. So basically, this is the hint, and you guys can now try to solve it again. So, coming to the proper solution. So basically, we have to somehow measure 30 minutes and then with the remaining 30 minutes, try to half that. So as we like using this trick over here, using this trick over here, basically, we were able to convert 1 hour into 30 minutes, right? So we have to do the same. We can use one of the chords to measure 30 minutes and the other chord to basically halve those 30 minutes, or the remaining 30 minutes rather, into 15 minutes. So what we basically end up doing is, first for one of the chords we lit both ends, and for the other chord at that t is equal to 0 basically, we lit one end of the second chord. Now 30 minutes later what happens is this chord is extinguished completely, and this chord could be burnt up to any arbitrary point, let's say over here. Now, by doing this, we know that since 30 minutes have passed because of the first chord, 30 minutes have been burnt up, and the remaining length is of 30 minutes of time, right? So as soon as the first one is completely extinguished, what we'll do is, so since we already deduced that there's only 30 minutes of length left over here, and now we burn both of these ends together, this will burn up in 15 minutes, right? Because we just learned that for any arbitrary length, if it has X amount of time left to burn up, and if we burn it up from both ends, it will take X by 2 amount of time. So basically, we just measured this time over here. So just to repeat the solution once again, we've got two chords. At t is equal to 0, we burn both ends of this chord and only one end of this chord. By the time the first chord is completely extinguished, uh, the second chord will be burnt up to a certain length, and the remaining length would be of worth 30 minutes. And all we have to do is, as soon as these 30, or basically as soon as we know that the first chord is completely burnt up, we lit the second end of the second chord also, which means that these 30 minutes will be burnt up in just 15 minutes. Thank you.